The last rites of former Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi will be held today in Guwahati with full state honours. The state government has declared a half-day holiday and elaborate arrangements have been made. His mortal remains would be taken to the crematorium through a procession. According to his wishes, his mortal remains would be taken to a church, mosque, temple and Assamese Namghar before the last rites. And ahead of the final rites of the three-time Chief Minister with full state honours, NDTV spoke to someone very special about his relationship with the veteran politician, his one-time blue-eyed boy who later rebelled against him.
Today, as we speak about him, some memories, some anecdotes that you want to share with our viewers.
No, I think as I have shared with the local media also, I have shared a very close bond with him from 1997 to 2011. So during that period, Assam history has witnessed many events. During that period of time, Assam has seen massive development, and obviously history will have lot of good things to write about Mr. Gogoi.
How would you yourself keep remembering him as a mentor, as a three-time Chief Minister?
Look, my memory with him is good. We have seen both sides of the story. Since 1997 to 2011, I worked with him as closely as possible. And since 2011 till his death, we compete each other, or we fought each other on political front. So it's really when you are going to recall my memory, it will be memory which will be, I can say that there will be sweet memories and there will be memories which probably no one should talk about. But I do not think that my personal equation with him is an issue, but his contribution to Assam, the way he took charge of Assam in 2011, then he has taken out Assam of financial mess. He took Assam out of secret killings. The way he faced the 30th November bomb blast, serial bomb blast, the way he faced the Bodo Muslim ethnic conflict at that point of time, I think he has presided over the state in a very, very challenging period. And I am sure that history will have all the good words for him. Gogoi was basically, as I know, Gogoi was a team leader. And he used to delegate work with the young people. He developed, he created or he nurtured a generation of young political leaders. He has given us immense responsibility, and he also feel that no, these young people will be able to deliver. And I think he was a very good team leader, and he had a clear vision. And I'll say that one thing people should learn from Mr. Gogoi, how to work as a team, how to work as a team. He would have instilled competition among the young leaders, that he will assign us job individually, and then he would have talked to us, he would have installed a sense of competition, so that we among us we do a healthy competition and we complete the tasks given to us. So that is why you have seen that today's Congress leadership, or for that matter, a generation of young MLAs in Assam Assembly is there because of Mr. Gogoi's trust and confidence on young leadership.